Hello today. I'm going to talk here about accept mutex as an Nginx directive for you to deal with worker processes as these processes handle connections. Right? Basically, it will control whether workers should accept how workers should accept new connections, or will it be serialized, or will they compete for connections, right? In a serialized way, for example, if you have 10 workers and you have 20 connections, each worker will pick up a connection until it ends in an O way. Competitively, a worker can get more than one connection, so it may be that you have 10 workers and have 10 connections. One worker will get all 10 and the other 9 workers will not get any connection. So when you enable mutex, you will guarantee that each worker will get it. Oh, a connection, right? When should you use it, right? If your hardware is old, right? You enable it, it can improve performance. Oh, and old versions of Nginx also that are not optimized. You disable it, or rather enable it on old kernels. It's worth it better to enable because it might improve the distribution of connections between workers there in modern kernels, right? In Linux 3.9 onwards, you don't have to. Everyone will feel big differences. Right? And when you enable mutex, it increases latency precisely because it is accelerating, right? Oh, it's not going to be simultaneous. So obviously the latency is going to increase. So I'm going to show you here in practice now how this configuration can affect, right? Oh, your server. I'm going to first write test here with mutex off, right? Then there's it's off by default here, so I'm going here. A little program called AutoCannon, which is in Node.js. You can install it through npm. Hey, AutoCannon, which is 111 software for benchmarking servers. I'm going to launch 30 simultaneous connections to my server that's running Nginx here. Then he's going to shoot, he's going to do these kidnappings, and he's going to give me a report. What happened started now, beauty, we have here, right? Oh, an average. Where is the average of 600? Requests per second, so we made 6,000 requests here. Now I'm going to enable mutex. I'm going to have to build my image again. He recreated it here. I'm going to run it now with mutex enabled. Yeah, I don't know if the Motex enabled will be better or worse on my radio, but it will always make a difference. You have to test it on your radio and you will get worse or better. Even on my hardware, how am I? Oh, on a weak notebook, right? And there's a lot more going on, huh? So it's almost out of memory and it's almost out of processing right now for me. In my case, it's even improved, right? So it will always make a difference, whether for worse or for better, in my case, running the notebook here, right? With Docker inside the server. Windows, so it has all these variables with few resources. It ended up improving the fact that I enabled mutex. Oh, it diminished to lightens, didn't it? Because since I have few resources on my notebook, having several simultaneous connections happening kind of sucks and it takes longer to process, right? It turns out to be the opposite. If I had a more robust server, obviously I would have more performance if I had disabled mutex.